how to buy the DNA token. Now, before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, make sure to take a look on the X account. As you can see, they have a big community. Now, how to be able to buy this token? Now go and find it on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and make a account on it. Now, before we start, as you can see, we have this lock icon. So this means that all the liquidity, or 99% liquidity, are locked. This means that your investment in safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token, we will use Phantom Wallet because this token is under Solana network. It's easy to buy it. Now click on token or copy the address. Now go to Phantom Wallet. Now after that, click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here, and after that, paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Now after you click on it, now you will be able to purchase it. After you type how much you want to buy with Solana, this is how much you will receive of DNA token. Now from here, select the Jupiter or OKX. So after you select the provider, you can now click on swap, and they will redirect you to Jupiter or OKX provider to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy the DNA token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.